Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we saw how to program and control the simple LCD display using an Arduino, and in which I told you that this display uses 12 wires or 13 wires or something, and we don't want that much wires, we don't have that much pins in the Arduino, so we can make entire project out of this. We don't just have to control this LCD. So for this there is a chipset or module available in the market, which is called I2C chipset. This chipset is used to connect multiple slaves to a single master. Like these two pins only, these two SD and LCL will connect and control all these pins. So we will use this module, I2C module. We have this jumper. This is for backlight. If we want backlight, we connect it. If we don't want backlight, we disconnect it. And if you look closely, there is place for adding 3 registers here, and this will come handy later. And in this we also have potentiometer to control the contrast of the display, and there are 4 pin SDA, SCL, VCC and ground, and we will connect this using breadboard. So, and since there are 4 wire only, I'll add the diagram so you don't have to watch me add it to Arduino. And since I don't want to use this jumper pin, as the backlight of this LCD is too high for my liking and it is like not looking that much pretty also, so I'll remove this jumper, keep it safe for later use, and I will add these 2 wires, anode and cathode, to my Arduino only, and I'll connect ground to the ground, which is 3, after connecting all these wires. And I'll be connecting this red wire BLA anode wire to any of the PWM pins I want. So I'm connecting it to pin number 9. This will allow me to control the brightness individually and like precisely to make it look more pretty and all. And now I'll walk you through the code. So the code is extremely simple. First of all, what we need to do is install the library LCD I2C from the library manager in the Arduino. Then since I told you I am using the LCD brightness by PWM flickering, so I'll define the pin I am using for brightness, 9 pin I am using. Then I'll define the brightness value. As we all know, the value can range from 0 to 55, so I am using 50, very dim brightness. It looks pretty to my eyes at least. And then we are making an object of LCD, and this address 0 into 27, this will be the default address, as when I told you to look at the register, and if there are no register, then this will be the address, and if there are register, then the address will change, but most likely the address will remain this only, as your I2C module will not have any register pre-installed. Then the simple setup loop is just pin defining the brightness output, like we will be using brightness pin, 9th pin for output. Then I am writing the value 50 on that pin. Then LCD begin, simple, like whenever we use anything with begin, then backlight to turn off the backlight, but I don't think this code will be necessary if we use this method. Then I am printing LCD print. Notice that I haven't used set cursor here, because by default set cursor is on 0 0 only, 0 0 only, so like first row first column, so it will print hello fam, sorry for this, okay, hello fam here. Then we will be implementing the loop is like, now we have to include our animation and all. So first I'll explain you the basic loop, then I'll explain the simple animation code. So, LCD cursor 0 1, since we want on the second row and from first only, so type, okay, I'll explain the animation function first. So type animation is a function which takes 4 parameters or value. First will be the text, like whatever we want to print, then the column and row, and then the delay second. It is a simple loop. It starts from I till the length of text, so like from the first character to last character, and it increments till there. Then the set cursor is on the ith position, okay, column which we passed here, and the ith position. So by default it will start from 0 only, like we will pass 0 only, so 0 plus 0 first position only, and after that 0 plus 1 second position, 0 plus 2 third position, so it will increment like that. And we are printing the ith element of the text we got here, and then the delay second, and this will continue and the text will print. So, and the display animation is even simpler than that. We have limit is like till where we want to delete, or like what till last character of the text, and then also simply row and delay second. simple loop from 0 to limit from till the character we want to remove, and I am just printing this empty space and using LCD cursor I row will I will increment with and row will remain same, so it will loop appear like the characters are getting erased like tuck 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 tuck. Very bad explanation, but yeah, just starting this channel now. I don't think anybody have implemented this on YouTube. I didn't found anything at least. So then the loop is just set cursor, then calling this type animation lost kid yes, the channel name 0 1, like first column and second row, because the indexing start from 0, and 100 is the delay. Then delay, like after the animation has completed, I don't want to like immediately start erasing it also, so 1 second delay. Then I am calling clear display animation, then again setting cursor, then again subscribe, then delay, then clear display animation, and this loop will run again and again. So I'll show you the output now. This is the output animation we'll be getting. I'll reset the Arduino so you can see it from starting only.